Hey, what up, fam? I'm on a mission today, y'all. I'm on a mission. I'm on a corn dog mission. Man, I went to buy some corn dogs. I said, they crazy. Them frozen ones in there. I said, we could go ahead and make our own corn dogs, y'all. Went and got some ingredients. Went and figured it out. Bought some hot dogs and some nice hot dogs. Bought me some sticks. And we gonna do this together, y'all, like we always do. Thanks for subscribing. Subscribe, like, comment. Tell me what you think about this. And let's get this on. Let's see what happens. We finna do some homemade corn dogs in Milwaukee, Wisconsin going down. I got one more. Haha, can't go wrong, hopefully. Just hold it. Stick it straight. And y'all, we doing this together, y'all. Let's see what we get. Let's see what we get. Bye. All right. There we go. We got it. All right. All right, the next thing they say do. All right, y'all. I done boiled my hot dogs. I got them stuck on the stick. So what I'm going to do now is I patted them dry. I'm going to put a little cornstarch on them so that batter will stick to it. Woo! Look at here, look at here. Some cornstarch. All right, cut. I'll be back in a minute, y'all. Cut. All right, fam, we back. We had technical difficulties for a minute, but we back now. So what I'm gonna do before I make my batter stuff, I'm gonna take these dogs and I'm gonna roll them in this starch. So they said that it'll keep the batter on them from coming off. Make it stick. Oh yeah. We're gonna do all these. I don't wanna bore y'all with it. I done made a mess. All right, y'all. Y'all see them? Corn dogs, all starched up. All right, let me clean up, and then we're gonna make the batter. All right, y'all. We back. We done cleaned up. Here we go now. Hey, y'all, we got 1 4 quarter of yellow cornmeal mixed in there. We got 1 1/4 cup of flour. We got 1/4 cup of sugar. We got 3 tablespoons of baking powder. And we got a tablespoon of salt. We're gonna mix these together. We're gonna whip them up. Hey, y'all know me. Don't tell nobody. It ain't no good without a damn slap your mama. Don't y'all say nothing. Y'all can put it there what y'all want to put in y'all. But I just gotta put a little bit of slap your mama in there. Just for a little flavor, y'all. Then we whip this up real good. Look at that, y'all. Now this is our batter, our dry batter. Now we're gonna make our wet batter. But before we do this, I got my grease on. I wanna make sure it's at 380. Because before we do it, we gotta make sure the grease is hot enough for 380, because once I make this batter, we're gonna have to dip it and put it in the grease and start cooking. So hold on for 1 minute. Let me see. All right, y'all, I think it's 350. We're gonna roll with 350, we close. All right, we're gonna add 1 3/4 cups of buttermilk. We're gonna add 1 egg. we're gonna add 3 tablespoons of, I use vegetable oil. You can use what you want to use. And I'm going to make honey corn dogs. So I'm going to add 3 tablespoons and a half of honey. So mine will be sweet. I'm going to mix it up real good. Ooh, the honey in there. Ooh, look at that, y'all. Ooh, wee. I don't know what we got here. We might have ourselves something. Y'all work with me now. I don't know where y'all at, but it's like 90 degrees in Milwaukee right now. That's mixed up. All right. Now I'm going to take my dry batter and I'm going to pour it into my wet batter. Just drop it in. Ooh, y'all. I'm worried. I gotta take a break. Take a break. All right, y'all. This is something new here. Let's see what happens. All right. We're gonna mix this up. I hope it gets thick enough. Please, y'all. Please. Uh-oh. Oh, shit, y'all. Look at the batter, y'all. It's supposed to be thick. All right, honey, we might have something going on here. Going on, y'all. We gotta do it, y'all. We gotta do it. We gotta bake it. We gotta bake it. We gotta make it right, y'all. Oh, suck it now. Hey, here we go now. We gotta get it. We gotta get it, y'all. We getting it. Ooh, I'm tired.
Work your muscle. Get it.
I'm tired now. Ooh, I'm tired. All right, y'all. I hope that's all right, y'all. We work with me. Work with me. We gonna see what's up. Now we supposed to take this here, and we supposed to pour some in here. Not fill it up all the way. About to right there, maybe. That should do it. I think that should cover the hot dog. Ooh, don't drill. All right, y'all. Woo! I was tired. Woo, woo. That was a workout. All right, so now we got the corn dogs. We got the grease hot. It's hot. It's ready. And now what we're going to do, we're going to go over here and we're going to see what happens, all right? Let's go to the fire. Come on, y'all. Oh, it's ready. I'm ready. That grease said, I'm ready. All right, y'all. Okay. Now we're going to take the corn dog. We're going to dip it in the glass. And then we're going to dip it in the glass. Right? And they say, make sure, and we're going to spin it out. We're going to spin it out. We're going to let the drip off. Ooh, look at that, y'all. All right. Oops. Do it again. I blew it. Then you spin it out. We trying together, y'all. Just let it spin. Let the excess come off. All right. Now we're going to drop it in the grease. We're going to twirl it a little bit. And we're going to drop one. Let's see what happens. And we're going to flip it. Time out. Time out. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens, y'all. Ooh-wee. It's the first one we gotta see. We might have done something wrong. Grease might be too hot, I think. Yeah, let me cut it down a little bit. Oh, shit. Okay, playing with myself. Hold on now. Yeah, let me just cut the grease down a little bit. We're gonna try it again. There you go, it's still dripping. All right, there we go.
Twirl.
No, let me just... That's what she said, twirl it, didn't she? Do this for 7 seconds. Oh, they're getting there. Fire coming down now. See the difference? I had it too high, y'all. I had it up too high. My bad. Oh, now they coming. Here we come. We got it now. Oh, we got it now. We got it right now. I thought they said 380, y'all, but they said 350. And that didn't work out right. Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah. We got them now. I promise you. Watch these next ones.
The hot dog out.
Mm-hmm. I think we getting it, y'all. I don't think we getting it. I don't know if we getting it, y'all. Well, this might not be a banger, y'all. Hey, y'all. You know what? I don't care. We're going to put this on here anyway. This going to be called Corndogs Gone Wrong. Y'all hear me? I'm going to name this Corndogs Gone Wrong. I got to put some more stuff in here. Corndogs Gone Wrong, y'all. Y'all hear me? Y'all hear me? Oh, man. They're good, though. Don't get me wrong. Nah. I ain't gonna be ashamed. That's all the taste test. Corndogs gone wrong. Oh, shit. I better stick to frying, y'all. I better stick to chicken. Lord have mercy. Yeah, we about right then. All right. Here we go again. I'm gonna get one right. Got my finger. Woo-hoo! Got me. Let me see, y'all. Mmm. All right. Don't get me wrong now. Terrible situation, y'all. That's one y'all good. All right, y'all. We gonna end that with a bad note. Corn dogs gone wrong today. Ain't no bangers going on here, but they good though. You hear me? Hold on, let me show you something now. Don't get me wrong now. They didn't come out like I wanted to come out. But I'm telling you something. I'm gonna eat them anyway. I give y'all something to comment on if you want to, but I'm gonna eat these corn dogs. Let me tell you something. All I need is some ketchup, a little mustard. Matter of fact, hold on. I'll be back. I'm gonna get some ketchup and mustard. And I'm gonna eat it. I'm gonna eat this anyway. Hey, everything can't be a good. You gotta be, we family, right? We family, right? Y'all know what I'm saying. We family. This didn't turn out right. Some days it do, some days it don't. That's life. They didn't turn out crispy golden like I seen. Not one bit. I don't know if my batter was messed up or what. But I know they gonna get 8 because I wanted some corn dogs. We'll try again. I ain't giving up. Y'all gonna comment down at the bottom. Tell me what you think. I already know. They ain't crispy golden brown, but they came out crunchy and good. I'm gonna come back and eat one. The best one with some ketchup. I'm gonna show you. Oh, I ate it, she said. I ate the best one. When y'all see the best one, subscribe, like, comment, and share to a friend. This is gonna be called Corn Dogs Gone Wrong. Peace. I'm out of here, man. I blew it.